Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a new strategy for a volatility 75 index that I've been testing. In time I'll probably share this strategy. It's very high risk, but it makes money. You can see here I'm actually trading on the 1 minute time frame, and this is currently the money in my account. That's why I'm saying this is high risk. As you know how I trade, it's zone to zone, and I basically figured out that you can actually trade zone to zone, also trends with the volatility or synthetic indices that are offered by Deriv. If you also want to trade with Deriv, the link will be in the description box below. You can go ahead and sign up with them. Maybe whenever I release this strategy to the public, you can also take advantage of it. But basically, as you can see, I mean, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to figure this out. It's just moving averages as well as my key zones. You can see this line is denoting 1,000 mark. This is 16 what 160,000, 165,000, and I think I gave out this indicator in a previous video. I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen when we get to this point, because that's where I need to actually close one or two trades. You know how I trade is I will have a goal. For example, here, this is my theoretical goal. This is my theoretical goal. But as we push down, we are going to touch this middle point here. So what I will do is, when we get to this middle point here, I'll actually take off some of these two trades, like so. Remove them from that, so that whatever happens, because this volatility indices can be crazy sometimes. I mean, right now it's showing that it's falling, which is a good thing. It's falling down and it's a good thing, but sometimes they will just spike up and take you out of your trades. They do that. That's why I always recommend if you can enter with a good lot size here, and after it has moved a certain distance, you close portions of your trade, so that whatever happens, and you just leave a portion, just a small portion. Let me just do a stop, a break even there, and what I'll also do here is I'm going to close a portion of that, because I do swing trading with these volatility indices. I do swing trade them, but at times I discover that the swing trades, sometimes they end up turning against me, because sometimes I do the swing trades and then I go away and I start working on my other businesses. When I come back, I was in profit, and when I come back, my break-even has been hit and I haven't taken any money off that trade. So that's the thing with these volatility indices, especially if you're going to want to trade them on the lower time frames, like what I'm doing at the moment. If you're going to want to scalp these volatility indices, what you want to do is to make sure you manage your trades. Otherwise, you're going to be in some money and you're going to be out of money, even if you got the trade right. That's a fix. So yeah, this is basically what I'm playing with at the moment. We'll learn about this as we go, and it's very profitable. Again, if you want to sign up with to trade volatility 75 indices. What you can do is use the link in the description box below. The broker is Deriv. The link is in the description box below. You can just go ahead and sign up with them. Deposits, they actually accept around $10. Is it $10 or $5? I think it's $10 deposit. Then you can start milking a Deriv. The good thing about Deriv is that you can actually make a lot of cash from a very small deposit, which you can't do with forex trading. And that's the advantage of trading with Deriv. But that doesn't mean that you must just go in blindly and think you are just going to make money left, right, and center. I've lost money. I've lost money with Deriv, and I've made money with Deriv, just like in forex trading. I've also lost money with my brokers in forex trading, and I've also made money with my forex brokers. It's same game here. Trust me, if you find somebody who tells you they've never lost any money with any broker, they've never lost any money in trading, run away. That person is lying to you. Losses are part of the game, but you learn from them. So, for example, I've learned from my losses to avoid these situations when these trend rebounds basically thinned out like that, especially usually when it's in the middle area here, this gray line, these gray lines. I usually want to take my trades from the green lines here. From green means go. So I usually want to take my trades from the green lines there. I do sometimes, when the conditions are favorable, take my trades from the middle lines here, but sometimes I usually just try to avoid them. And also when these lines are thinning out like so, just stay away. I want open gaps between my rainbow lines like that, then I can enter my trades. So yeah, this is something that I've been trading with for some weeks now. That's why my balance is around there, and I've shown you how you can easily flip that money into something meaningful, trading on Deriv. And this is scalping. So yeah, guys, we'll see how this goes on. I'll probably withdraw some of this money in from this trading account, which is another thing that I also want to advise you. Always move your money from your trading account.